I'm going to quickly show you how to change the date and time on Android. Let's go, everyone. On your Android, you're going to look for the settings icon, okay? So you're going to look for this gear icon, and when you find it, click on it to go to the settings menu. Here in the settings menu, you can search for the date and time option down here, but if you want to do it faster, click on the magnifying glass, go ahead and click and search for date. Yeah, now. By typing date, everyone, the date and time settings option will already appear below. Click on it and you'll come to this page. Notice that here you have the date and time option. Click on it again. On this Android, the date and time are set to be configured automatically. To set it manually, I have to uncheck this option, so I uncheck it. There you go, now the date and time appear below. Just click on the one you want to change. For example, if I want to change the date here, I simply click and choose whatever date I want, okay? You can change the date there. You can also change the month. It's up to you, okay? In my case, the correct date is this one right here. After you've set the date, I'll click here on done, and you do the same for the time. Click it, then just choose the correct time or set whatever time you want. When you're done, click done, and that's it. It'll be changed, as you can see. And that's it. I just changed the date and time here, okay? If I want it to be automatic again, I just go back, click this button here, and it returns to the automatic setting, okay? The system will set it for me, so it's up to you. You can also set the format further down, okay? I hope I helped, and if I did, help me out too. Subscribe to the channel.